Interest on drawings. Sometimes no opening capital is given. In that situation, we first need to calculate the opening capital before calculating interest on capital on the basis of closing capital, after making all kinds of adjustments out of that. Interest on drawings. The partnership deed may contain the adjustment to be done for interest on the amount withdrawn by the partners out of the firm. If there is nothing mentioned in the deed, then no interest will be charged. If it is mentioned in the deed, then the interest is being charged on the agreed rate for the period for which the amount is outstanding with the partners in an accounting year. The calculation of interest on drawings in different situations. When the fixed amount is withdrawn every month. Suppose a fixed amount of money is withdrawn by the partners in each month. So for calculating the time period, we must take care when was the fixed amount was withdrawn. If the money is withdrawn on the first day of every month, interest on total amount will be calculated for 6 months and 15 days. If withdrawn at the end of every month, it will be calculated for 5 months and 15 days. And if withdrawn is done in the middle of the month, it will be calculated for 6 months. For example, Ankit withdrew Rs 10,000 per month from the firm for his personal use during the year ending March 31st, 2006. The calculation of average period and the interest on drawings in different situations would be as follows.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.